Hi everyone, so in this video you will learn how to create a class in TypeScript. Classes are just like a template where you will have a couple of properties and methods, and they are generally used whenever you want to write some reusable code. We'll see an example of it, how it actually works. To create a class in TypeScript, you have to make use of class keyword, then the name of your class. In this case, I'll make a class by the name of employee. It will have two properties. First will be ID, it will be of type number. Then there will be a name property, it will be of type string. It can also have a method. So to create a method, we don't need to make use of function keyword inside the class. We can simply put a function like this, just make it print details. This is the name of a function. You can specify the return type here, just make it void. And in case if you want to access these properties inside this function, which is inside this class, you have to make use of this keyword. Okay, so it will be this.id and this.name. Now let's create an object. So we'll make use of const keyword, it will be emp, and to create an object we have to make use of new keyword, then the class name followed by this parenthesis. Let's make name equal to Peter here, and let's make the ID 100. To call this function you have to make use of emp.print details. That's it. Save it, and this will be output. Instead of doing assignment here, you can do the assignment inside the class with the help of constructor function. So it will be like constructor, and it will take two parameters. The first will be ID, let's make it number. Then it will be a name, let's make it string. And we'll do the assignment inside this function like this.id, sorry for this.id equal to underscore id, and this.name will be equal to underscore name. Now here just remove this part, okay, and we'll pass those values here. Let's make it 101 and marks. That's it. Now save it. This will be your output. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.